Big school of minnows that are left over.
So did you dump the whole 2 pounds in?
Yeah, all 2 pounds. Ate most of the ones that were shot in shock and got an easy meal on those. Only strong survived back there.
And the waterfall keeps enough air in the water? Oxygen?
Yeah, that waterfall keeps the water oxygenated. And after they got done eating the following morning, I came back down and cleaned out the filter and rearranged some stuff here. We ended up putting the water heaters in crates and the pumps and filters and all that, make it easier to access.
So what are we doing?
We're zip tying this to this crate, making a cage for everything electrical.
The heaters?
And this is the water, one of the water heaters, yeah.
Will it be bad for them to touch the plastic?
I don't think so. They get really hot outside of the water, but inside, I don't think it'll burn you. I don't know. I guess.
Is that other thing a water heater too? A water heater and a water pump?
That's a pump, and that's also a pump.
Oh.
Which in doing this, I might be able to lose some
Lose somewhat.
of these heaters.
I think it'll distribute the heat a lot better having it like that.
Yeah, because the PVC pipe.
And the tile will help if you put the tile in it.
Yeah.
Or on it.